Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a 4-petal flower for blankets and table placements. So friends, for this project, I am using crystal yarn and a 2mm size steel crochet hook. So to start, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot. After making slip knot, make your base chain. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making 6 chains, go into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a ring. Now make chain 1 to start your first row. Go into the ring, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Single crochet 2, 3 and 4. Make 16 single crochet stitches by repeating the same pattern. So friends, I have completed 16 single crochet stitches. Now change the color of yarn and make a slip stitch to first single crochet stitch with the other color yarn. Now make 2 knots to secure your work so that your stitches may not lose. After making 2 knots, start your second row and take these 2 yarn tail between your stitches while working. Make chain 1 to start your row. Go into very first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and make a single crochet. Go into the second single crochet stitch and make single crochet 2. Now make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 chains for the petals. Go into the next stitch and make single crochet 1. Go into the next and make single crochet 2. So after making 2 single crochet stitches, make chain 1 here. After making chain 1, go into the next stitch and make single crochet 1. Go into the next and make single crochet 2. So this is our pattern. Now take these starting yarn tail and cut them off. Now for the second petal, make 9 chains again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After making 9 chains, again make 2 single crochet stitches into next 2 stitches. Make chain 1 and make 2 single crochet stitches, 1 and 2. Now for the third petal, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 chains. Now make 2 single crochet stitches, chain 1 and 2 single crochet stitches. Now for the last 4th petal, again make 9 chains and 2 single crochet stitches into these last 2 single crochet stitches. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Now make chain 1, go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your second row. Now in the third row we will make petals. Now wrap the yarn, go into chain 9 space and pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch pattern. So this is double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, double crochet 11, double crochet 12, double crochet 13, double crochet 14, double crochet 15, double crochet 16, double crochet 16, double crochet 17 and double crochet 18. So in the chain 9 space we are making 18 double crochet stitches. Now go into this chain 1 space here, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch to finish your first petal. So this is our first petal. Now for the second petal, wrap the yarn, directly go into second chain 9 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and make total 18 double crochet stitches here, and then make slip stitch to chain 1 space and repeat the pattern for next 2 petals. So friends, I have completed my 4 petals. Now we will again change our yarn color. So go into this last chain 1 space, take the other color yarn and make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, make 2 knots to secure your work as we have done into our first row. Now again take this yarn tail between your stitches while working. And make chain 1 to start your third row. Go into the very first double crochet stitch here, pull the yarn, go into the first double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch, go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2, go into the third stitch and make double crochet 3, go into the fourth stitch and make double crochet 4, go into the fifth one and make double crochet 5, double crochet 6, single crochet 6. So now cut this starting yarn tail. Now complete total 18 single crochet stitches. So now you can see the petal, it's more fine and neat. Now go into this chain 1 space again where we have already made slip stitch, go into the space, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch like this. Now pull this single crochet stitch, go into the first double crochet stitch and make single crochet 1, go into the second and make single crochet 2, go into the third and make single crochet 3. Now complete 18 single crochet stitches. So after making 18 single crochet stitches, now I will show you again how to make a single crochet stitch into chain 1 in space like this. Now again pull this stitch, go into the very first double crochet stitch here and make single crochet 1, go into the second double crochet stitch and make single crochet 2, go into the third stitch and make single crochet stitch 3, and repeat the same pattern for next 2 petals. So friends, I have completed my flower. Now go into this last chain 1 in space and make last single crochet stitch. After making last single crochet stitch, go into the first single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch and pull the extra yarn, cut it off and weave this extra yarn with the help of needle to some backside stitches to secure your work. So go to the back side and weave this to some backside single crochet stitches. Like this, and cut the extra yarn. Now our 4 petal simple flower for blanket pattern is ready. You can make table mat as well. So if you like this pattern, please try it. You can make more flowers and connect them to form blankets as well as some other crochet project. So must try. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.